In front of me is HOTWAV Pad 8, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Photos app and selecting Library section on the left. Then tap on one of those folders from which you want to delete your photos. In my case, Send Anywhere. Finally, you can hold one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of and click on this dot at the top left corner. If you wish to exclude some of your pictures that you wish to keep, click on the chosen ones. And to delete the rest, use this bin next to the shopping cart at the top right corner. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-ups. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!